I'm Dennis Kirstein. I'm from Graham, Washington. I'm a retired Army officer and a retired administrator for the school system. Did a lot of traveling, but this is going to be our first time being an RVer. We purchased a 2015 leisure travel Serenity Mercedes chassis. It's a 24-foot long small vehicle that we can get around and go any place we would like to on moment's notice. Well, I think the reason why we picked the Serenity because of the Mercedes chassis. It's a very solid, one-piece chassis, and the Serenity is also a solid one-piece fiberglass shell, which reduces the sound, the noise levels, and the fact that not too much can go wrong with it as far as leaking or maintenance. Well, one of our neighbors was purchasing a new vehicle, and at the same time they were bringing theirs down for consignment. And we came down with them. We saw IWS. We said we like the vehicles, even though they're bigger than what we were looking at. The individual then kept tabs with IWS, and when he heard there was a Serenity that was going to be on the lot, we drove down 2 days later, and we were comfortable with the people we met when we came down with them, and so we were very pleased with the service that we were getting. I would say that when we came down with our neighbors, we were family. When we walked in the door, we were treated just like we were family. We belonged here. We weren't buying. We were along for the ride, but we were still taken aside, shown all the things that were here for sale. There was no problems. And that also made me think, hey, if I ever were to buy something, this was a good place to start. And then as I got here today to pick up my vehicle, it just continued with that. The friendliness, the knowledge that everybody has was outstanding. I would say that a wow moment is when we opened up and saw the quality of the vehicle, the knowledge of the people that were showing us the vehicle. Without doubt, if somebody were to ask me about IWS, I'd say this is the place to go. It's the service, the friendliness, as I've mentioned a number of times, is number one.